will be start in 5 seconds. Start. At the outset, I congratulate NIA and all its personnel for organizing R.V. Raju Memorial Lecture as part of NIA Day celebrations. Full stop. Late R.V. Raju was the first DG of the Premier Counter Terrorism Investigation Agency. Full stop. The national security environment in India is determined by its geographical attributes, socio-economic milieu, as well as by regional and global developments. Full stop. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area, second most populous country, the third largest economy in terms of purchasing power, party, and one of the oldest civilization with unparalleled cultural, religious, ethnic, and linguistic diversity. Full stop. India shares its land boundaries with 6 countries, while it shares its maritime boundaries with 7 countries. Full stop. It is in the context that we should understand the national security challenge that India faces in the 21st century. Full stop. New para. The national security challenge can be broadly categorized as internal challenge and external challenge, both of which are closely and indirectly intertwined. Full stop. The internal challenges include the growing radicalization in our society, separatist movements, insurgents, communalism, and most violence. Full stop. We have centuries old rich cultural ethos that is rooted in strong democratic principles, which is use violence in all its forms. Full stop. However, there are certain misguided elements, who continue to use violence as an instrument to achieve political goals. Full stop. No matter what the grievances are of disgruntled people, of sections of people, there are ways and means to resolve all issues lawfully and peacefully within our constitutional scheme. Full stop. New para. Having said that, I would like to point out that of immediate concern to all of us on the internal security front is the growing radicalization in our society. Full stop. This has roots in a distorted view of religion and ethnic identity. Full stop. We have witnessed the phenomenon in the ending spiral of violence in different parts of our country, including the Kashmir Valley, in the insurgent movements in the northeastern region, and the left-wing extremism affected areas in the hinterland. Full stop. The efforts made by the government have helped to contain the situation in Kashmir. Full stop. There also has been a significant decline in the incidents of violence by mosques, and the northeast is largely peaceful. Full stop. The historic peace treaty with the Naga rebels NSCN-IM was one of the successful initiatives and shown how long festering political issues can be resolved peacefully to the advantage of all. Full stop. Friends, as you know, India is now the fastest growing major economy in the world. Full stop.